Clarissa, it's almost time for breakfast.
I'll be right there, Mom.
Come on, Clarissa, it's almost time for breakfast. We're having some yummy cornbread. Mmm. Clarissa!
Ma, keep the skirt on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Jeepers, Ma.
I'll put it on later. No one's coming over.
Sarah, I think I'm invited some friends over.
Oh, that's great. Now, don't you want some of this yummy cornbread?
Not exactly. Now that I just saw that, not exactly. Keep your skirt on next time, Ma. Ma.
I'm sorry,
I told
sweetie.
you about public nudish.
I've lost a lot of weight.
Doesn't matter.
Now, don't you want some yummy cornbread, or are you not eating breakfast?
I'd rather have that tasty glass of water I had last
More
night.
water?
Dad.
Okay. What, you mean the father that you killed?
Yes.
You weren't supposed to confess to that.
Oh well.
What if the cops come in? Do you want them to arrest you?
No, but Mommy, frankly, I think they'll arrest you.
Well, get your glasses of water. Drink it. Now remember, you gotta get your grades up, so go up and study.
Mommy!
Oh, crap!